Super Truck A main. Heads up racing, guys. Heads up racing. All right, gentlemen. Grid is set. Your race will start in less than 5. On the horn, gentlemen. Less than 5. We are underway. Big crash. One almost left the field. He is underway. Might have lost power there. Tough break on the start. Big crash. But you got a couple of trucks running side by side. One washes up. Did the crossover move. That was Tommy Bug and Jason May down front. First 20 seconds into this race, Tommy got on the yellow a little bit. Washed him up. He's rocking and rolling now. Tommy was 729. Right. 729 for Jason. John was 744. Ricky having issues there on the turn number 1 on the start. Looks like Jason getting away from him now. Jason takes over number top spot. Tommy down to second spot. John Jones rounding out to top 3. Leaders coming across the stripe. Solid red is Jason May. Multiple colors, black and red, is Tommy Bud. John Jones in the silver and red machine. Jason May out front, 739, 742 for Tommy. John was 753. 1 minute in, 3 to go. 1 minute in, 3 to go. Jason May out front, 732, 744 for Tommy. John was 755. Leaders through 1 and 2. Now they drop off in 3 and 4. Leader right here. Solid red machine, Jason May, Tommy Bud in tow. John Jones rounds out the top 3. 732 for Jason. Tommy was 742. John was 759. 125 in. Jason May out front, 740. Tommy, 753. John, 767. A little distance now between first and second. Now we'll see how they can maintain that same hot pace. See if the matter to catch up to each other. We'll see what happens. 145 in, Jason, 746, Tommy, 749, John was 768. Slowly approaching halfway, this is race number 6. 2 down, 2 to go, 2 down, 2 to go, Jason May out front, Tommy, then John. Jason with a 750, Tommy with a 752, John with a 769. Through 1 and 2, solid red truck. Going down the back straightaway. Now got a full, about a 3/4 straightaway on second place. Tommy Bud. Jason May goes down the back straightaway. Here's your leader. 130 to go. 130 to go. Jason 756. Tommy with 764. John with a 781. Leader jumps off the stripe again. 759, 767 for Tommy. And here comes John with a 787. Jason May, 756, 769 for Tommy. 1 minute to go, 60 seconds to go, men. 60 seconds to go. The leader down the back straightaway, 3 and 4. Oh, down on the yellow a little bit. His handle is pretty good. Jason, 771. Tommy, 770. John with a 792. Come up a little bit behind him. Maybe getting a little bit of draft off us. See if that lap time goes up. Jason 765. Tommy 775. John with 793. 30 seconds to go, men. 30 seconds to go. Jason still running strong. Got third place right in front of him. Picking them up and setting them down. 20 seconds to go. Jason, Tommy, and John. Leader is a solid red machine right there behind the red and silver machine. That is third, John Jones, red and silver. Leader's right there behind him, 10 seconds to go. And he will force the issue with 5 seconds to go. Now John will try to get a little draft off of him. Coming to the checker flag, and there it is. Jason May, your winner. Checker flag, right as the clock expires. Tommy will finish second, and John Jones will round out the field.